Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Audi Q7 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this controller down here, the back button, and the enter button. You can press on it, you can scroll it, and you can move up and down, left and right to go search your the page that you want. And we're going to be looking at that. Actually, we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it once, and go ahead and hit that menu button right here, and it will take you here. Let me focus. Once you're here, go ahead and use the scroller and scroll to vehicle and enter on vehicle. Now go ahead and use that scroller to move left. Once you get here, go ahead and move left, and you will get to this page. Now once you get here, go ahead and scroll down to vehicle setting. Scroll down to service and check. Enter on service and check. Now go ahead and scroll down to service interval. Go ahead and enter on that. And the reset oil change interval is highlighted. Go ahead and hit reset. Now go ahead and scroll up to yes and hit yes, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.